Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is an Adobe Character Animator CC 2020. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install the example puppets made by Adobe that you can use in any of your Adobe Character Animator projects. When you first open Adobe Character Animator, you will likely see this home screen. What we're looking at today is the example puppets. If you hover your cursor over any puppet, you will see their name and you will also get a brief description of that puppet. If you do not see the home screen, or if you want to get back to the home screen so you can take a tutorial or get more example puppets, all you need to do is click on the home icon in the top left corner, and if you want to open any one of these example puppets, all you need to do is just double click on it and it will open it up and you're ready to start recording. To browse and download more example puppets from the Adobe library, all you need to do is go back to the home screen by clicking on the home icon in the top left corner. Then in the top right of these example puppets, you're going to click on this button, See More. That is going to take you to the Adobe page where you have all these totally free example puppets that you can download and use in your personal or commercial projects. And I want to download Red Monster 3D. This is a brand new puppet. I'm going to just click on the download button. That'll take you to this download page, and then you're going to click on this button right here, Download. That's going to download the zip file to your computer. So here I am in my downloads folder in a Finder window. I'm just going to double click on it to expand it. If I twirl down the arrow, I will see two files in here. One is a .puppet file, so all the Adobe Character Animator puppets will have the .puppet extension. And this one is documentation. You definitely want to read through these. Each character has their own characteristics, so you can just read through it and just see what this one is all about. To import a puppet into Adobe Character Animator, you can go to the File menu and select Import, or you can use the keyboard shortcut, Command-I, navigate to that Downloads folder for Red Monster 3D, then click on the .puppet file and click on Import, and that will import the puppet into Adobe Character Animator. You can also import any puppet or any accepted file by just dragging and dropping it right into the project panel. When you're ready to start using your example puppet, just select it over here in the project panel, drag it right onto the timeline. I'm going to go ahead and hide Walkabout, and now I have new Red Monster 3D in all its glory. So if you want to browse more example puppets and download them, all you need to do is come up to the top left corner and click on the home icon. Above all the example puppets, click on See More. That will take you to the Adobe site. Click the download button and then import it into Character Animator. My name is Mike Murphy, and that is your quick tip in Adobe Character Animator CC 2020. Cheers!